So I got a ZHIYUN Crane M2 Gimbal today. I got it used from eBay, and I thought I would do an unboxing video. So here goes. I was going to use my GoPro with the head mount. Unfortunately, it's not charged. Trying to do this one-handed. So I unboxed it. It comes with this neat little carrying case, and it comes with instructions. We'll set the instructions aside for right now. And there's the gimbal, and it comes with a thumb screw, which I'm going to have to go try and find an extra one for, a mounting plate for the gimbal itself, some little silica johns, the gimbal, a safety strap to hold on to, a neat little tripod attachment, and a USB-C cable, and a thing for mounting a smartphone. Or I bet I could use this for my little point and shoot camera too. I'll probably never end up using that. Okay. The gimbal itself feels rather sturdy. It definitely needs to be charged. But it's a neat little thing. And once I get it all charged and balanced, I'll be back. So this is the face forward mode, so wherever I point it is where it's going to go. And so this is the lock mode. So whatever I locked it on, no matter which way I go, that's the way the camera's going to go. It's going to make for some interesting videos. This is the point of view. So wherever I point it, it's going to pan, tilt, and zoom that direction. but it does it very smoothly. Again, face forward. It'll face forward on, but the lock is the one I like. This is going to make for some interesting off-road videos. This is the pan face forward, so wherever I go side to side, but it keeps it level. So again, this one's going to make for some very interesting videos. Point of view, wherever I point it, as I said, that's where it goes. There's about 1 million videos out there on how to balance this, so I'm not really going to make one on how to balance it. I can pan up or down. This is going to be an awful lot of fun. This is like owning a Steadicam. This is freaking awesome. And with this monopod, I can actually simulate drone footage. Oh, I'm going to have fun with this. So, just to recap and review, I really like this item, the Crane M2 Gimbal from ZHIYUN. It's a fun item. It was well worth the money I spent on eBay, and I would suggest it for anybody who is a talented amateur such as myself. It appears that it's good for the little Canon point and shoot camera that I'm using right now, an ELF. It has attachments for a GoPro. It has attachments for a smartphone. It even has attachments for shadow to be in the video. And it attaches to a monopod. It'll attach to a tripod. It comes with its own little tripod attachment. Makes it very easy to balance your camera. It charges on a USB-C port, so everything should be good, and it's something that you will enjoy. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for viewing.